And the answer here, I think, is clearly no. Because a real computer, of course, has finite memory, but think about your machine. So let's say you have an older computer like me, so you have 1 gigabyte of memory. 1 gigabyte of memory is approximately 1 billion bytes, or 8 billion bits. Now, how many different snapshots can you have with 8 billion bits? That is 2 to the power of 8 billion snapshots. You wouldn't find a fraction of that as atoms in the universe. The argument is correct in theory, but it does not have any practical relevance, almost like the halting problem, which I will soon show you also has actually very little practical relevance. But for this counter-argument, it's basically the same. For a real computer, I think you can consider the memory to be practically infinite. So this algorithm here just isn't going to cut it, unless by real computer you mean a very, very, very simple one.